Hi guys, Poundland again, inflatable monkey. Perfect for garden, beach or pool. Okay, I'll blow it up, see how big it is. Well, I wonder what I'm going to do with him. Yeah. Okay. Radio controlled monkey. We might give it a try.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.